My amazing viewers, let's make healthy drink, especially for women. We'll be using cucumber, beetroot, and parsley. You can as well use celery, but I will use parsley for this. Beetroot juice is a powerhouse of nutrients that provide a range of health benefits. Its high nitrate content improves cardiovascular health, exercise performance, and brain function, while its anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties support overall well-being. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals, beetroot juice strengthens the immune system, enhances digestive health, supports healthy skin, aids in weight loss management, and promotes athletic recovery. Incorporating beetroot juice into your diet can significantly boost your health through this diverse mechanism. Cucumber has lots of benefits ranging from health, skin, and hair benefits. And in this video, I talked about cucumber benefits, 32 benefits of cucumber. You can watch this video to get more amazing benefits of cucumber. If you are a woman and your monthly cycle is irregular or scanty, or you're having issue with your monthly cycle, come close because this video will do you a whole lot of good. Watch this video from the beginning to the end to see how you can make this drink and make it your friend. We start by peeling the back of our already washed cucumber, both the inside. I removed it. Peel the back of the beetroot, then shred the cucumber into smaller pieces for easy blend. Next is the beetroot. We also shred it into smaller pieces for easy blend. Time to blend it. Inside our blender, we'll add cucumber. We'll not blend all together, we'll blend in batches and add beetroot as well. Then, if you want the water you get from this mixture to be much, you add little bit of water. And for easy blend as well, I added 100 ml of water inside this batch, this first batch. Adding the parsley now. I'm not using much. I just added little bit of parsley. You can as well use celery. I couldn't get celery, so I am not using parsley for this. Done blending this batch, I'll now use my chiffon cloth. I don't want to use sieve because the sieve will make me to get some particles after sieving it. So I'll use my chiffon cloth for this so that I will not see any particles after separating the chaff from the water. So I'll transfer it into this and blend the second batch, another 100 ml of water, and I will blend to paste. Let's now check to see if it has properly blended the way I want it. Yes, we are good to go. I'll now remove it and add into the first batch. Then you hold your chiffon bag, hold it properly so that it will not pour from one side. Hold it properly and separate the water from the chaff. This is it. This is what I got. This is blood tonic. This is good. Another benefit of this drink is that this chaff you got from this, you use it to make your stew. You don't need fresh tomato for your stew. Just go ahead and use this and you are good to go. I will now transfer it into an empty clean container. Now scooping the foam on top of the drink, scooping it out. I don't want to drink it with the foam. It has foam on top of it. Though it doesn't have any side effects, it doesn't have anything. There is nothing wrong with that. But I just want to remove the foam. This is the drink. This is a healthy drink. With this drink, oh my goodness, As a woman, you will not regret taking this drink, making this drink your friend. You will not regret it at all. Make this drink your friend as a woman and be grateful that you did. You will not regret it at all. And you see changes in your system. Thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, this is the opportunity to do that. Give this video a thumbs up, like this video, comment, share with others, especially women, to see this video and also give it a try. And subscribe to my channel if you got value from this video and you have not subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time in my next video. Bye.